The community is changing. We're seeing a change in age demographic. That's driving growth within the city, and it's a joy to be a part of. My name's Gareth Francis, and I'm the business manager for WSP here in Tauranga. Well, what's not to like about living here at the end of the day? Coming from the middle of the UK, we get up to the beach as much as we can and stroll along there and enjoy the views.
I'm Hannah Wise, and I work in the Tauranga office as a graduate water engineer. I've been there for 5 months, so I've had a bit of experience working on biofilters and just recently got involved with some water renewals for Taupō.
We do some really good stuff. The mountain base track being an example of that. There was a storm event came through in 2017 and it took out a section of the base track. They put in place a quick workaround, but that meant people with pushchairs, people with disabilities weren't able to get around it. And so we were engaged by the City Council here to design a pragmatic solution that could be built quickly. The whole community can now enjoy the base track walk, and it's been an absolute pleasure.
Because Tauranga is growing, there's a lot of expansion that's going on, and there's a new water treatment plant opening up in Papamoa. So it's really cool to be involved in projects like that wouldn't really be happening anywhere else because Tauranga is just growing so rapidly.
WSP has some great initiatives around well-being, My Balance, and they just really look after the staff.
We just recently had a pub quiz, it was our first one, so we're also doing a community day as an office, helping do some plantings with Trees for Survival. So everyone's really keen to get involved in things like that.
Working with our clients, right from concept right the way through to final delivery and sign-off, that is the absolute joy. And then to see it built in the community, for the community to use, yeah, it doesn't get much better than that really.